In this video, I'll show you how to share files with Microsoft Teams. Sharing files in Teams is a simple way to send documents, spreadsheets, presentations, or other files to a person, a group chat, or an entire channel. Microsoft's current Teams guidance says you can share a file directly in a chat or channel from the Compose box, and in channels you can also upload files through the Shared tab. Microsoft also notes that many users now see Shared instead of the older Files tab name. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the place where you want to share the file. This can be a one-on-one chat, a group chat, or a team channel. Once you're there, click inside the message box. Under the Compose area, select Attach File or Choose File, depending on the version of Teams you are using. Then pick the file from your device, Recent Files, or a connected cloud location, add an optional message, and click Send. Microsoft says you can also drag and drop a file straight into the message area to upload it faster. If you want to share a file in a channel another way, open the channel and select the Shared tab at the top. From there, choose Upload, then select your file and open it. After the upload finishes, everyone in that channel who has access will be able to work with it. This is useful when you want the file to stay easy to find later instead of only appearing inside a message thread. You can also share files from OneDrive inside Teams. Go to OneDrive in Teams, find the file you want, hover over it, and choose Share. Then enter the name, group, or email address of the person you want to send it to, add a message if needed, and send it. This is a good option when the file already exists in your Microsoft 365 storage and you want to control how you share it. After you share the file, the people in that chat or channel can usually open it, review it, and collaborate on it depending on their permissions. And if you need to find it later, Microsoft says shared items can be found in the Shared tab for that chat or channel. That's how to share files with Microsoft Teams. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.